All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 3, which is the first of our 2 Giannis graded cards. So we'll check the time August 31st at 10 a.m. We're going to go over to the break and type live. We have August 31st at 10 a.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That ain't going to work. 9 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Craig. Spot 8 is your winner. So Craig, whatever we pull out of break number 3 is yours. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, August 31st, 10 a.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.